In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your file in Microsoft Teams. Backing up your files is really important, especially if you rely on Teams for work or school. It helps protect your documents from accidental deletion, device loss, or other issues that might prevent you from accessing your files later. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through how to access the right settings in your Microsoft account so you can manage your file backup and security connected to Teams. First, open Microsoft Teams in your browser and make sure you're signed into the correct account. Once Teams is open, look toward the upper right-hand corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. This might be your initials, a picture, or a generic profile image. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This is where Microsoft places many of the account-related options you'll need. After clicking your profile icon, a small menu will appear. From this menu, you want to select the option that says My Microsoft Account. When you click this, it will open a new browser tab or window that takes you to your main Microsoft account page. This is the central place where you can manage settings for your identity, subscriptions, devices, and security, all tied to the same login you use for Teams. Once your Microsoft account page is loaded, look for the section or tab labeled Security. It's usually displayed along the top menu or in a clearly visible area of the page. Click on Security. This area is dedicated to keeping your account safe and controlling how your information and files are protected. On the security page, you'll see different options related to protecting your data. What you want to find here is the option that mentions File Backup and Security. It may appear as a link or button labeled File Backup and Security or something very similar. Click on that. From this section, you can review and manage how your files are being backed up within the Microsoft ecosystem, which includes content you access through Teams. Take a moment to explore the available settings so you understand where your files are stored and how they are being protected, and that's it. By following these steps, you've navigated from Microsoft Teams into your Microsoft account and into the specific area where file backup and security are managed. This helps ensure that the files you work with in Teams are safer and easier to recover if anything goes wrong.